Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide the story that you will post from specific friends on Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide your story from specific friends on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. But before I show you how, of course, you will need to create your Facebook story first. So to do that, just tap Create Story. And then just select the video or image that you want to add to your story right here. And after you've selected the video or image, you will be directed here. So to hide this story that you will post from specific friends, you just need to tap this settings icon. Then after that, go to privacy. And then after that, you will now be able to see the hide this story from option, just tap it. And then right here, all your Facebook friends will appear, so just simply select the Facebook friends you want to hide your story from. And once you're done selecting who you will hide your story from, you can now go back. And for the last step, you can now tap the share button to finally upload your story. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your story will now be uploaded but will not be shown to the specific friends you've selected earlier. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.